Black holes are among the most mysterious and fascinating phenomena in the universe. They continue to captivate the attention of scientists and physicists due to their extreme properties and the profound questions they raise about the nature of reality. Defined by their immense gravitational pull and complete lack of light emission, black holes mark the point at which the known laws of physics cease to operate. Originally predicted by Albert Einstein in 1916 as a consequence of his general theory of relativity, black holes remained purely theoretical until technological advances in the 20th century enabled indirect observations. A major breakthrough occurred in the 1960s when astronomers studying a group of stars known as Cygnus stumbled upon an unusual object. A bright blue star was found emitting powerful X-rays while orbiting an invisible partner. This puzzling behavior could not be explained by traditional means until it was discovered that the star was orbiting a massive black hole, Cygnus X1. This finding offered the first strong observational evidence for black holes and ushered in a new era of cosmic research. Cygnus X1, located about 6,000 light-years from Earth, possesses extraordinary traits. Its density and gravitational strength are so extreme that even light cannot escape its surface, which is why the term black hole was coined. Since then, scientists have found evidence of numerous black holes scattered throughout the cosmos, with some estimates suggesting that the Milky Way alone could contain over 100 million of them. Despite being invisible, black holes influence their surroundings in dramatic ways. In our own galaxy, astronomers have identified various types, from stellar mass black holes formed by the collapse of massive stars to supermassive black holes that lie at the centers of galaxies. These gravitational giants shape nearby structures and dictate the motion of surrounding matter across vast distances. When objects drift too close to a black hole, they are pulled toward its event horizon, the boundary beyond which escape is impossible. As they approach, the intense gravitational gradient causes them to stretch and tear apart in a process called spaghettification. The object is ultimately consumed by the singularity at the core, a point of infinite density where all known physical laws collapse. Despite the danger they pose, black holes are invaluable for studying the limits of modern physics. They offer a unique environment for exploring the behavior of gravity and matter under extreme conditions. Curiosity continues to drive scientists to uncover their secrets and understand what lies beyond the visible universe. In 2021, humanity reached a new milestone with the first clear image of a black hole, M87, captured at the center of the galaxy bearing the same name. This achievement offered groundbreaking insight into the structure and nature of black holes, revealing that they are more complex than previously thought. Far from being voids of absolute darkness, they possess layered regions that interact with the surrounding universe in intricate ways. Detailed analysis of M87's image revealed three distinct regions. The outermost layer is the event horizon, where gravity becomes inescapable. Inside this lies the photon sphere, a zone where light orbits the black hole endlessly. At the very center is the singularity, where matter is crushed into an infinitely small point and conventional physics breaks down. Each of these layers plays a vital role in understanding how black holes function. No two black holes are exactly alike. Though they follow the same basic structure, individual black holes differ in mass, spin, and behavior. Their complexity challenges scientists to think beyond traditional methods. Because we cannot study them directly, astronomers rely on indirect observations such as radiation patterns, gravitational effects, and surrounding matter interactions. Efforts to physically explore black holes are futile. Any spacecraft would be destroyed by the intense gravitational forces. Still, scientists press on, using theory and indirect evidence to explore their origin and influence. Observations from NASA, including studies of the M87 galaxy, have shown how supermassive black holes exert control over entire star systems. The study of black holes reflects humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge. Even from thousands of light-years away, these cosmic phenomena spark deep questions about space, time, and our place in the universe. Their study continues to illuminate new frontiers in science. In 1963, physicist Roy Kerr expanded our understanding by introducing the concept of rotating black holes. His model suggested the existence of the ergosphere, a region surrounding a spinning black hole where space is dragged around it. This region prevents matter from collapsing further and points to deviations from conventional physics. Kerr's work also led to the theoretical idea of the Einstein-Rosen bridge, more commonly known as a wormhole. These hypothetical tunnels through spacetime could, in theory, connect distant parts of the universe or even different universes. Rooted in Einstein's relativity, wormholes represent a potential shortcut through the cosmos, although their existence remains unproven. While the idea of wormholes is captivating, scientists remain skeptical. Even if they do exist, wormholes would be inherently unstable and subject to collapse. Quantum forces, radiation, and general relativity all place strict limits on their use, and current theories suggest they wouldn't allow faster-than-light travel, despite their popularity in science fiction. Still, wormholes remain a topic of intense research. They inspire questions about alternate dimensions, cosmic travel, and the very structure of reality. The possibility that such paths exist keeps scientists exploring the edges of theoretical physics. Pushing further into the unknown, physicists have sought a unifying theory that combines gravity with quantum mechanics, a theory of everything. One promising approach is superstring theory, which proposes that all matter is made of tiny vibrating strings rather than point particles. These strings resonate at different frequencies to produce various particles and forces. In this framework, the universe becomes a kind of symphony, with strings creating all known matter and interactions. Superstring theory also suggests the existence of additional spatial dimensions beyond the familiar three. These extra dimensions are hidden from everyday perception but may explain many of the universe's mysteries. Though we cannot see or measure them directly, these dimensions may influence everything from gravity to the formation of galaxies. Some models liken our three-dimensional world to a two-dimensional lake where creatures can't perceive the third dimension above them. Similarly, the hidden dimensions of string theory are compact and folded so tightly that they escape detection. Superstring theory has also reshaped mathematics, uncovering new relationships between geometry, topology, and physics. The search for a unified theory is not only reshaping science, it's bridging the gap between abstract mathematics and observable reality. Despite its elegance, superstring theory has yet to be experimentally confirmed. The extra dimensions it proposes remain hidden, and testing its predictions is extremely difficult. Still, its potential to explain black holes, wormholes, and the structure of the universe keeps researchers intrigued and motivated. As we push further into the frontiers of theoretical physics, superstring theory offers a guiding framework for exploring the cosmos. It presents a bold vision of a universe built on harmony, symmetry, and hidden complexity. One of the greatest challenges in physics is understanding quantum black holes, where gravity and quantum mechanics collide. The problem has remained unsolved for decades. Edward Witten once described superstring theory as 21st century physics that accidentally fell into the 20th century, reflecting its futuristic nature. Recently, however, physicists have made promising progress. Independent research teams have shown that string theory may resolve the quantum black hole puzzle, though only in simplified two-dimensional models for now. This marks a step forward, but much work remains before a full understanding is achieved. The ongoing quest for a unified theory continues to push science into uncharted territory, blurring the lines between established knowledge and theoretical possibility. Studying black holes forces us to confront the very foundations of existence, revealing the deep, interconnected forces that govern the cosmos. The interaction between black holes and other cosmic phenomena, such as neutron stars and gamma-ray bursts, shows how rich and complex the universe truly is. These relationships unveil the hidden mechanics of creation, destruction, and transformation that shape the evolution of everything around us.